Hey, I'm Danny, helping midlife women create cohesive, beautiful homes with confidence. This is your 5-minute fix. Have you ever thought that your home looks just a teeny tiny bit generic? Maybe exactly like the person next door. Maybe a room just feels flat or unfinished, or nothing really feels especially unique about it. It might look like the next door neighbors when you can take a peek through their through their windows. And you want warmth and character, but it still just feels builder basic. But you also want a little bit of character without the dollar signs that go with a massive renovation. You just want your home to feel a little bit more like you. Okay, well, here's the thing. Builder grade homes are intentionally designed to appeal to as many people as possible. So that means they often lack character, contrast, architectural personality, layered materials. They definitely don't have visual focal points. They lack customization. Basically, it's a bed in a bag in a size of a house. But because the finishes are so neutral and simplified, if we bring in our decor after we purchase a home that is a builder grade home, a lot of times our homes feel a little bit flat. But here's the good news. Making your home feel custom usually doesn't require a built-in shelf, a built-in unit, or gutting your entire kitchen, or spending 6 figures on anything. It's really about creating little moments of personality and intentionality throughout your home. And that's good news. So here's the fix. I want you to think about one area that feels a little bit builder basic, so that you can add a little bit more character to it. Adding a little contrast, a little texture, a little bit of architectural interest. Here are a couple of ideas that you can do. The first is add curtains, and not just adding any old curtains. I want you to think about adding curtains high and wide. That creates that feeling of taller ceilings and larger windows. In the kitchen, you can replace the standard cabinet hardware. Easy peasy, and not a huge dent in your wallet. It will make it feel just a little bit more unique or a little bit more substantial. You can add picture frame molding or wall trim to add a little bit of architectural detail. Bringing in vintage or antique pieces instead of all new matching decor is going to create that layered, curated look. Maybe you bring in warm wood tones to soften that really kind of sterile blank slate. Bring in oversized art. We already know how sometimes that can bring a visual focus to your room that makes it look a little bit more luxury rather than several small pieces. Maybe you add library lights or sconces or rechargeable accent lighting so that you can have that layered ambient lighting throughout your home. And of course, bring in texture. Linen, caning, wood, leather, woven materials, natural stone. Bring in lots of natural texture. And if you're really wanting to go all out, add some wallpaper, paint the ceiling, change out the lighting, take down those builder grade mirrors that are in every single bathroom, and add something that is even off the shelf. It doesn't have to be expensive. All right, those small shifts can completely change the feeling of your home. And instead of feeling really flat or generic, builder grade, or bed in a bag, and really one-dimensional, your home starts feeling really warm and collected. It starts feeling elevated and layered. It starts feeling like it is full of your personality. The thing that I want you to remember is that homes are memorable not because they're perfect. They're memorable because they have character. And when that character is a reflection of you with thoughtful details, not expensive finishes, that's when you start getting those, wait a second, did you just hire a designer kind of compliments? All right, friend, this happens to be my specialty, helping you create character-filled homes on a budget. So if you're ready to go beyond this quick fix and actually implement inside of your home, we're going to do that inside of The Collective, where we create beautiful homes that feel cohesive, elevated, and deeply, deeply personal. I would love to have you join us. You can do that by going to figandfarmathome.com/The Collective, and I will see you inside. If you're loving these 5-minute fixes, let me know. The easiest way to do that is leaving a review on Apple Podcast. Not only do you delight me, but you also help other women who are learning how to create homes they love find the show. And if you want your question answered in a 5-minute fix, send me an email, hello@figandfarmathome.com, and I would be happy to answer your question in a 5-minute fix. Until next time, I'll see you soon.